Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by entering the arena, hugging the left root entrance to minimize exposure. Keep your sprint active and move directly toward the center root without stopping. Focus on each glowing root core rather than the central body during this phase of the fight. Break the first root core to stop sweeping attacks and then lure the boss to the opposite side. Break the second root core using quick strikes and backstep when it charges. After both roots are broken, run to the center and roll forward to finish the boss. Prepare your character with lightweight armor to maintain fast roll speed and stamina. Equip a shield or ranged option, but prioritize mobility for the run and roll method. Sprint from the left root entrance while hugging the rock to reduce sweeping arm hits. Use light, quick strikes to chip at the glowing cores and avoid long weapon animations that leave you vulnerable. Retreat briefly after each big attack to regain stamina and position for the next approach. Once both roots collapse, sprint into the exposed center and roll straight through the boss to kill it. Manage your equip load so you maintain a fast roll and quick recovery from hits. Watch the boss animation cues carefully and time your roll during the core collapse to avoid being flung outward. If sweeping arm attacks threaten you, hug the environment and wait for the animation to finish before moving. Use ranged firebombs or spells to stagger a root if close approach proves risky. If you die, adjust your approach by increasing sprint momentum and prioritizing faster strikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.